In this problem, volume of a gas in a container varies inversely as the pressure on the gas. So right there from the first sentence, I know it's a variation problem. So let's refresh our memory on the steps for solving variation problems. Step 1. Determine the type. And you'll either have direct, it'll be y is equal to kx for our form. You'll have inverse, and that's y is equal to k over x for the form. You'll have joint, it's y is equal to kxz, though you can have more than two variables. Or you'll have a combo, which is a mix of the above. It'll be pretty easy to determine type. It'll actually say those words. 2, pick variables that make sense. Step 3, look for your one example, use it to find k, and then plug k into the formula from step 2. And then step 4, find what they really want. So let's go through those steps for this problem. Okay, step 1. Determine type. Well, it says volume of a gas in a container varies inversely, so it's an inverse. And typically that's of the form y is equal to k over x. K is our constant of variation. Step 2, pick variables that make sense. Okay, the volume of a gas in a container varies inversely. Varies where equals is. So volume of a gas, V for volume, equals, K is always K, you never change it. Varies inversely is the pressure on the gas. P for pressure. Step 3, look for your one example. If a gas has a volume of 360 cubic inches, so they're telling us that the volume is 360, under a pressure of 10 pounds per square inch, so the pressure will be 10. Now we want to use that to find K, so multiply both sides by 10. And that gives us 3600 equals K. Those 10s would cancel. Now we want to plug that K into the formula from step 2. So we now know what K is, so we'll plug that in. So we're going to have V is equal to 3600 over P. And then step 4, we want to find what they really want. It says what will be its volume, so what is V, if the pressure is increased to 17 pounds per square inch. Okay, so now it's increased to. Now that's not increased by. If it said increased by, then we would take the 10 plus the 17. So increased to actually tells us that P is 17. Wording of word problems is critical because one little word there changes the meaning quite a bit. So let's see what that gives us. 3600 divided by 17. Enter. And we get 211. Round your answer off to the nearest cubic inch. Okay. So 211.76. So the nearest cubic inch would be 212. So that'd be your answer.